long night tonight. Hi guys, this is Andrew, and I'm going to make a short video of actually a cover of a song by He Is We named Blame It On The Rain. It's a meaningful song for me, and I've been sad for a couple of days right now because of a girl, and hope you're okay. So here's it. He is we, blame it on the rain. Okay. He is we, blame it on the rain. Okay. Hi guys, this is Andrew, and I'm gonna make a short video of actually a cover of a song called Blame It On The Rain by He Is We, and hope you like it, guys. You got me caught in all this mess, I guess. Blame it on the rain. My pain is knowing I can't have you. Tell me, does he look at you the way I do? Trying to understand what you say and the way you move. Does it get the same big rush when we go in for a hug and your cheeks brush? Tell me, am I crazy? Am I crazy? I catch my breath, the one you took, the moment you enter the room. My heart, it breaks at the thought of him holding you. Does he look at you the way I do? Trying to understand what you say and the way you move. Does it get the same big rush when you go in for a hug and your cheeks brush? Tell me, am I crazy, or is this more than a crush? Maybe I'm alone in this, but I found peace in solitude. No, if I had but just one kiss, this whole room would be glowing, would be glowing, would be glowing. Does he look at you the way I do? Trying to understand what you say and what